So how do you make a content marketing strategy? Hi everyone, this is Chris from Melotti Media Copywriting and Message Marketing Bureau, and I've been on a few panels this week, and one resounding question that I keep getting asked is, yep, we get it. How do you do it? How do you make a content marketing strategy? So here it is in very, very quick form. One is start with your business's vision and mission. Okay, the reason why you start there is because it's the purpose behind your brand and it helps gravitate you to in the right direction. Number two is identify your customers. Who are they? What do they want? And what do they want from you? Number three is your objectives. What do you actually want to do with your content? Is it raise awareness, get conversions, whatever it is, list them down and then find where all three intersect. From there, make a plan and then roll it out and find a way to monitor it. I hope that helped everyone. It's very quick. Have a wonderful day.